Are you fed up with data entry taking you ages? I've got a couple of tips that will help speed it up for you when you're putting your data into your Excel spreadsheets. Let's have a look. Now, don't forget to select that like button or subscribe if you enjoy this video and find it useful. Let's have a look. So we've got a table here. We know I'll have an Excel table because the formatting automatically expands. But let me show you how we can increase our inputting. So this first option, I've got a selection of northwest, east, or north, south, east or west. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my Alt key and my down arrow. So Alt and down, and it automatically brings up a drop down list. I just choose the one I want. I've not done anything in the background to set that up. Okay, next one along. I want to put the date in. Now, a quick shortcut for the date is Control and the semicolon on your keyboard. So look at your keyboard, find the semicolon, and it's Control semicolon will give you today's date. Nice quick one. Next one along, I can either use that one I showed you earlier, Alt and down arrow, brings me the drop down list, or if I just want to use the same answer as the cell above, I just use Control apostrophe, and that will just copy the answer from the one above. So unfortunately with the units I manually need to type the number in, but again in the company I can use Alt and down arrow to get an alphabetical list. So easy. And then I just choose which one I want, or if I just want to bring down the one from the cell above, Control and apostrophe. There we go. Those short tips and having the data as a table so it expands will really help your data input speed up things all the time. Let me just go and summarize those just to make it a little bit easier for you. So these are the shortcut combinations we used. Alt and down arrow, that will enable you to create a drop down list from all the cells above. You don't need to set anything up in advance. That down arrow is easier to find on a proper large keyboard rather than a laptop keyboard, but even so it should still work the same. The second keyboard shortcut we looked at was Control and the semicolon, which inserts today's date. So whatever the day is, it won't update, so tomorrow it will still stay static, but it's just a quick way of inserting the current date. And the last one was Control and apostrophe, which will copy the information from the cell above, a bit like copy and paste, but it's only 2 keys. Anyway, hope you found them useful. If you'd liked it, please subscribe, please like our channel, and just catch up for more useful videos, hints and tips.